Paper Boat Boy Art and Craft. Hello everybody and welcome to Paper Boat Boy Art and Craft. Today we are going to be learning how to make a paper gun, just like this one. For this activity, you will need a glue stick, some scissors, and 2 pieces of grey paper. As you can see, I've already folded it. And how you actually fold it is, first, you want to fold it in half, just like this. Then you want to unfold it and fold it like this. Then you want to do that same thing again until it's like this. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause the video. Okay, after that, you just want to fold it like this until it's one line. And then put your finger wherever you think the hold part will be for the gun and wrap it around. Here's where the tricky part comes in. You have to fold it like this and then get this piece and fold that straight in like this. And if you can't push it in fully, that's probably because you don't have enough paper. So, I'll try that a little bit higher. Just like this. See, now you can push it all the way in until it's like this. Wait. As you can see, I fixed it up a little bit more because it wasn't looking that good. Okay, now we get that second piece of paper what you have. Get your scissors and cut a little bit out. It has to be pretty long. Just like this. Until you have a rectangle. So what you want to do now is roll it up basically. Just like this way. And then, when you're done rolling it up like this, you can twist it, just like this. until you have it like this. This can be too long, so if it is, I'll just cut it. See, this is too long, so I need to get my scissors again and just cut it a little bit, just like that. And let's see if this works. See, that's better. And then, when you're done with that, you want to like almost push it in. But you want to get, before that, you want to get some glue and stick it. Make it a bit more sticky. So stick there. So you get your glue and just put it at the little edges. And if that's not enough, you just get some more. So what you do now is you like slide it in basically. And if it doesn't go in, that probably means your gun is not that tight. So you need to tighten it more up. Like mine. I probably have to tighten it more up, but I'm just gonna do this. Just like this. Until you have it like this. So, you can be done right now, but if you want to get really realistic, like here, I added this tiny little bit right there. So it kind of looks like it's actually there. So we get our piece of paper again, cut a little area again out, but not as big as that one just then. More like this size. And we basically do the same thing. Roll it up, but you want to make it thicker like this, and we're not going to twist it. And fold it like this until we have it like this. Now, you basically just want to stick that right there. So we get our glue and we put it on there just like that until we have it like this. And now we're done with our paper gun. Thank you for watching Paper Boy Art and Craft. Pew, pew, pew. Thank you for watching Paper Boy Art and Craft. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Also, please subscribe.